Hi everyone, welcome to our video today. We learn about courses which our company provides you. Let's start. Business Model Canvas for Digital Marketing Courses Company 1. Value Proposition, Unique Offerings, Comprehensive Digital Marketing Courses covering SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and analytics. Targeted Solutions, courses designed to enhance skills for marketing professionals, small business owners, and individuals looking to enter the digital marketing field. Flexibility and accessibility, offering both online and in-person training sessions to cater to global participants. 2. Customer segments, marketing professionals seeking advanced skills and certifications. Small business owners looking to boost their online presence and sales. Students and job seekers, individuals aiming to start a career in digital marketing. 3. Channels, online platform, website and mobile app for course delivery and interaction. Social media, utilizing platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram for marketing and engagement. Partnerships, collaborating with universities and educational platforms to reach more learners. 4. Customer relationships, personal assistance, dedicated support for course-related inquiries and technical assistance. Community building, forums and groups for students to interact, share experiences, and network. Feedback mechanisms, regular surveys and feedback tools to improve course content and delivery. 5. Revenue streams, course fees, pricing based on course complexity and duration, subscription models, monthly annual access to a library of courses.
Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Till then, bye-bye.